we can't activate Windows on this device, and we can't connect to your organization server. So usually this happens when employees leave a company and deactivate license and activate them for this license later for themselves. So what you need to do, so you need to open command prompt, run cmd, type here slmgr dot vbs slash dlv, hit enter, give a second. Now, so it will give you all information here, and you need to search for product key. So if the product key says GVLK, you have a system that belongs to organization. If that happens, you have left the organization, then it's time to buy another copy of Windows.